about? Talk to you about what?
He's my cousin. I didn't cheat.
Riri, you Dominican. He's a full-fledged black guy sitting in the living room with his boxers on. You're done. You're done. Please. Stop hitting my car. Move. Go.
Vamos a hablar, por favor. Let's just talk. Let's just fucking talk, please.
What is it talk about? What did they talk about?
Listen, bro, you're doing too much. Get up out of there. Like, what are you doing? Like, why in the world are you sitting here entertaining this? Like, it's go time, bro. It's literally freaking go time, even though this thing say part 2. Was I supposed to go to part 1? Okay, anyway, yeah. Like, why are you sitting there having a conversation with this young lady? You literally just said you got another man in the house with his damn boxes on in the living room. You already, bruh. I don't give a dang on how good the head is. I don't care what she looked like. None of that stuff matters. The moment that this young lady thought that it was okay to be that disrespectful, to have somebody, I don't know if it's in her crib or what. What are you doing? Why you got the window rolled down? Like, man, listen, I would have drove off before she got out there. Matter of fact, I ain't even put myself in this type of situation. You already know a bust down, and y'all steady be up here trying to wife these doggone chicks, knowing good and dang gone well that they not wifey material. Like, you already knew she was a bust down from the jump. You supposed to be there for a good time, not a long time. Honestly, now, you know what? Let me say, you probably should have kept your thing in your pants, man. You got to stay away from these doggone chicks that behave like this, man. And I'm pretty sure those signs were there. Most of y'all just choose to ignore it because you want to follow the booty. And now look at you.
He's my cousin.
Cousin in his boxers.
You can't get in.
Open the door.
Riri, no, I gotta go to work.
She crazy.
Go ahead.
Put the window down.
Don't speak, don't say none of that
Put the
shit.
window down.
No, I'm keeping
I
like
can't
this.
see you.
Bro, what do y'all be doing, bro? Like, why is, at this point, a conversation don't even need to be had. You know what I mean? Outside of you just letting her know, yo, yeah, this is it, man. We're gonna go into Michael Jackson thing. Like, this young lady has been caught a guy. Like, she everything, like, she been caught red-handed. Why in the world are you sitting here entertaining this, man? I never understood why the heck dudes stick around. Like, what do you need? Clarity after you already seen what you're dealing with? She already done showed you, fam. Like, what's going on, man?
Cheating with a god.
Vamos a hablar, por favor. Let's just talk. Let's just fucking talk, please.
What does it talk about? What did it talk about?
That he's my cousin.
Girl, she crazy. Oh, heck no. Yeah. Yep. No, ma'am. I was about to try to speak some Spanish, but I don't know Spanish. I was about to say, no, por favor. But nah, bro, listen, hey, she for the streets. She for the streets, man. I would have left that girl right where she was, man. Again, man, y'all get in these doggone entanglements, and she look like she a decent looking young lady, don't get me wrong. But none of that stuff matters, man. The moment that you start experiencing any type of disrespect, because I'm pretty sure this young lady, she seemed like she got a mouth on her, boy, and I don't mean that in a good way. Y'all
cooked dinner and everything. He left. He didn't even eat.
Hold on, wait a minute, my bad. I don't know if y'all heard that, but my bad. But yeah, y'all literally allow these women, I ain't even gonna call them women. Y'all allow those 304s to have y'all doggone mesmerized by one or two things. It's either the booty or three things. Head game or just the body, man. Be caught up. Couldn't be me, man. Could not be me. Y'all be going out bad.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.